So hello guys, and in today's video you will learn how to zoom in and out in Notepad. You have When you open a Notepad, you have this option at the top called view. You click on that, click on the zoom button, uh, click once and you will get 1 degree of zoom. Keep on clicking more and more, and I will keep on adding more zooms, more percentages in zoom, just like the one here. You see it is 160%. Click more and it will be 170%. But this is a very slow and crude way. I want to maybe use a faster way. And how do I do that is, you just click the control button on your keyboard, and if you have a mouse, you just slide your mouse wheel up, and this will keep on increasing the document zoom. And if you keep on pressing the control button and slide down your mouse wheel, it will zoom out. You can also do that if you have a laptop. You can also do that using your laptop touchpad, uh, but that you'll have to have gestures enabled. And if you have the gestures enabled, and you can slide page up and down, so you can use it the same way as you use a mouse wheel. So that is it, guys, and that is the video. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and I will be more than happy to help.